Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading and managing expansions in Garena Free Fire. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can easily manage your downloadable expansions in Free Fire. When you are on the home dashboard, tap the download icon from the top of the screen. This shows a list of already downloaded expansions, as well as expansions ready to download. To download them, tap the cloud icon next to its name to start installing it. You can also delete installed expansions here by tapping the trash icon next to its name. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Garena Free Fire tips and tricks.